So if you're in a bowtie workshop and you're running it and you're trying to get performance standards together and people are going down this very generic path of wanting to use words like where relevant, adequate, how do you work with them to get more specific?
Normally it's just about defining what those things actually mean. And normally the issue is that we haven't really defined what adequate means or defined what relevant means. So, if it comes up, we need adequate sling protection. The question's going to be, well, what is adequate and what are the key things that make it adequate? I think you can really define what does each of those terms mean. If we say we need this control where required, you can come back to the bow tie and go, well, where does the risk actually exist? That's what where required becomes. It's those scenarios where the risk exists. So I think it's normally there is an answer. I think it's just like digging deeper than what we normally might stop at.
And a great bow tie workshop is made up of a lot of different people in the company. So we've talked about senior leaders and the context they get from coming to a workshop, but you should also have technical experts in that risk and the frontline experts. And when you get that group together and you ask that question, tell me what you mean by appropriate, you'll typically find it's the frontline experts and the technical experts that turn and speak to each other. And so they'll have the discussion between them and you facilitate that and they'll come to you with the answer.